Hola, buenos dias. I'm here right now in Madrid, España. And dito kami ngayon sa Puerta del Sol. Dito kami magsistay. So, this is my third time coming here in Madrid, but ito lang talaga yung mag-stay ako for 3 days. So we're just walking towards our hotel. We'll just leave our luggage. Alam yung Royal Palace outside. Yung malaking bear, oh. Bayad na naman yan, pa-picture ka dyan. Beautiful. Nice weather. Sunny. Hindi siya sobrang init. Because it's not yet summer. Spring pa lang eh. So, ayun ang pila. Oh. Okay, let's go. So I'm here right now in Almontina Cathedral here in Madrid. So if you want to taste all the local cuisines here in Madrid, Mercado de San Miguel is one of the best places. This one. We will enter inside just to check. Yeah. Look at that. Empanada. Try? Gusto mo i-try? Sarap. Yan o, mga calamares. Buenos tardes, mga kalakwacha. We are here in Puerta del Sol and dinner kami because birthday ng iba. Feliz cumpleaños, Marco. Yeah. Birthday niya, so magti-treat siya.
Attention, TikTok.
Uy! Oh, so hinahanap namin yung restaurant namin. We're here in Madrid, in España. So this is the Puerta del Sol at night time. Our hotel is in this area. Bili ng abaniko.
Wala akong tindahan.
Feliz cumpleaños. Yan ang hamon iberico.
Masebo yan.
Sabor de España.
Hello.
This is the view for our Our hotel here in Madrid. Buenos dias. Day 2 in Madrid. Tawid tayo? Saan?
Dito tayo.
Hmm. Buenos dias. Oh.
Buenos dias, menudo, machado, caldereta, apretada.
Tsaka tinidor. Platito, plantita.
Plantita.
Hola mga kalakwacha. I'm so excited. We are so excited because I'm here right now in the Prado Museum. National Prado Museum, whatever. So you can see actually the statue of Goya. Yeah. And look at that. That's the Prado Museum, which is really very famous in the world, and you can see here in Madrid. So we are here in the Prado Museum. Sa kanilang garden. Tingnan mo, ang ganda niya. That's the Museo Nacional del Prado. And the entrance is there. Dami ng tao. Hola, hola. Simbahan yan. Yeah.
No, yo ripeto da casa.
Yeah. So I'm here right now in the Prado Museum here in Madrid. Unfortunately, we can't take photos or videos in the exhibits. There's some collections only here. Kami sa Prado Museum. We're supposed to be, we will have our lunch, but medyo tight on schedule, so we will be going to Reina Sofia, another museum which is very popular. Pinupuntahan talaga dito sa Madrid. Gutom na. That's the streets of Madrid here. Right. Reina Sofia. We're here in the Reina Sofia Museum. So we have fun and we're allowed to enter at 12 hours. Yan siya ang building. That's their statue na makikita dito sa Madrid, here in Seoul. Yan siya kumakain ng churros. That's the churros. We are here in Chocolateria Sanguines. Tagal na dito sila since 18 something. Churros.